Some MLAs likely to skip winter session of Manipur State Assembly over demand for cabinet reshuffle. State Cabinet approves increase in dearness allowance of Manipur government employees after increase of DA for central government employees. People carried out mass peace rally in Ukul town demanding speedy finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks based on Naga Framework Agreement. Police holds Manpak's protest meet against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act in Northeast State. Manpak convener calls present government insensitive. People in apprehension over possible influx of migrants due to ineffective implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur. All Manipur Petroleum Products Transporters Union assures more oil tankers are reaching Manipur amid apprehension over possible fuel crisis due to anti-CAA protests in Assam. And Pakistan court announces death sentence to former Army Chief Pervez Musharraf in high treason case. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Leadership crisis in the state seems to be resurfacing after it was quietened down for a while owing to the Naga Framework Agreement and amended Citizenship Act issues. Many MLAs may skip the upcoming winter session of Manipur State Assembly if cabinet reshuffle is not carried out by tomorrow. Situation seems to be pointing towards possible crumbling down of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren-led BJP state government. Impact News sources said that 17 MLAs of the coalition state government is camping for ministry reshuffle at Hotel Classic in North AOC. Among them include one MLA who had recently joined the BJP from the Congress party. It has been also reported that the number of MLAs wanting a cabinet reshuffle might increase. MLAs calling for cabinet reshuffle have demanded to replace at least 2 or 3 ministers from state cabinet, alleging that they have failed to work for the welfare of the public, all the while serving in their own interests. It may be recalled that some MLAs had camped in New Delhi urging the central leaders to replace Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, but the BJP state leaders have termed the leadership tussle time and again as mere internal conflicts. State Cabinet has approved to increase the dearness allowance DA of Manipur government employees following increase of DA for central government employees. Various development agendas of the state were reportedly discussed in the State Cabinet meeting held from 12 noon until 3 p.m. today. Speaking to media after the meeting at Education Minister's office in New Secretariat this afternoon, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham said that all the ministers of the State Cabinet attended today's meeting. He disclosed that the Cabinet resolved to allow utilization of paddy lands into residential or for any other purposes only to those who have settled in the paddy lands before the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014 came into effect. Minister Thokchom Radhesham also said that discussions were held on various issues to be tabled in the next cabinet session, including conversion of property tax collected from municipality areas into public-friendly tax.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄꯒꯤ 15th ꯁꯦꯟꯆꯨꯔꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯨꯃ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃ ꯀꯦꯕꯤꯅꯦꯠ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯩꯔꯣꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁ ꯀꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯝ ꯇꯦꯟꯊꯥ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯌꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯂꯧ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯒꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯂꯝ ꯂꯧꯔꯝꯒꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯞꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯨꯝꯃꯒ ꯄꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁ ꯀꯦꯅꯦꯜꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯏꯞ ꯏꯔꯤꯒꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯦꯕꯤꯅꯦꯠ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯔꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯍꯣꯇꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯊꯥ 3 ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯤꯖ ꯄꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯒ
Responding to Impact News query on whether inner line permit system has been successfully implemented in Manipur or not, spokesperson of the state government, Minister Thokchom Radhesham, said that following the Gazette notification issued by President Ram Nath Kovind, the state government has enforced ILPS in the state. He claimed that even before the implementation of ILPS in the state, the government has been taking strict security measures to check influx of migrants at the border areas, especially in Jiribam. He appealed to people of the state to extend cooperation to all the initiatives of the government.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯚꯔꯥ ꯄꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯝ ꯌꯣꯟꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯒꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯚꯔꯥ ꯄꯤꯔꯒꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯂꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯚꯔꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯍꯜꯂꯦ we are at fault ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏꯗꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ we have to be sincere honest ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯉꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯜꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯄꯨꯛꯆꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ I am included ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই honest ꯑꯣꯏꯕ sincere ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ nothing will happen and people are very aware.
People carried out a mass peace rally in Ukhrul town today in support of the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and demanding speedy finalization of the Indo-Naga peace talks. United Naga Council UNC organized a rally participated by many people carrying Naga flags and banners that read, Naga solution must be honorable and acceptable based on framework agreement. The rally kicked off from Maizelung Pettigrew College till Ukhrul's TNL ground, where a public meeting was held after the rally. Manpack convener Yunamcha Dilip Kumar has termed the present BJP-led NDA government as insensitive towards its citizens. He was speaking to media today on the sidelines of a protest demonstration against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act CAA in the northeast states at Kaishampat Lemizam Laikai Community Hall. However, Manipur police rushed to the spot and prevented them from carrying out the protest without a permit. Heated conversation occurred between the police and the Manpack volunteers. Protesters stood on roadside and chanted various slogans like "Long live Northeast," "BJP government down down," "CAA cannot be implemented in Northeast," etc. Dilip Kumar condemned the government for interfering with the democratic protests.
Agitation nama changchan mama tamda athing ma thamba haibase mase khoi miyam gi mayok ta leiba government ni haidana khoi haijaningi yamna chamna peaceful assembly tawjaba phawo yaraktragadi khoi gi pen da ba amasung khoi gi aning ba apam do bodo phongdo hanba ngamdragadi aduguma lenga aduna miyam gi dongta leibane haibase masi matik chade na haijaningi Manpack ki mai gi dagi leibiri ba lamdam asigi ima ibel sing maruma pang sing satra mahiroi punamak na north east ki state sing da hojik citizenship amendment act asina extend tawrok awaba nanga toriba amasung makhoi da mipai ba poktana changsiliba khongjang nangsida akoi fully solidarity udli.
Students of Manipur College staged a protest meet against the Citizenship Amendment Act at their college gate today. Taking part in the sit-in organized by the College Students Union, one protesting student strongly opposed to implementation of the amended Citizenship Act in the northeast state. He urged people of Manipur to stand united against the act.
एक ओलगा हजिक ओइना ꯆꯠꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯖꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ CSO ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯦꯛ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯐꯧ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯖꯥꯃꯤꯌꯥ ꯏꯁꯂꯥꯃꯤꯌꯥ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯠ ꯃꯤꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ.
Police arrested 14 members of Sons of Kanglei Park for protesting against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act CAA in the northeast states today. Agitators carried out a protest demonstration with their mouths covered with black tapes at Hapta Kangjibung. Imphal East SP Haubijam Jogesh Chandra, Imphal East Additional SP Operationer TH Krishna Tombi, Porompat Police SDPO Suraj and Porompat Police Station OC Binod rushed to the spot and arrested the agitators. Despite implementation of RLP system in the state with the issuance of Gazette notification by President Ramnath Kovind on December 11th and assurances given by Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren to take necessary measures at the border areas to check influx of migrants in the state, Impact News found no such measures at the Mao Gate. Police were found carrying out their normal duty and checking identity cards of foreigners entering the state using a mobile app. Responding to Impact News queries, those policemen on duty said that they have not received any instructions from the relevant officials to take measures as per the ILP regime. The policemen said they have been carrying out their normal duties without fail, but to carry out measures as per the ILP system, strength of the police station with 1 inspector, 3 sub-inspector, 4 assistant sub-inspector and 52 VDF personnel and constables will not be enough. They say, even with the current strength, the police station faces various inconveniences while handling law and order situation, various cases, guarding disputed land areas and checking those foreigners entering the state. They also stressed on the need for the government to upgrade their equipments to check the entry of outsiders in the state. People are worried over possible influx of migrants in the state due to ineffective implementation of the inner line permit system in the wake of the Citizenship Amendment Act, which was recently enacted. An exclusive report in this regard.
Pangthokhiba Parliament session na ayaba pigiba inner line permit system amadi session aduna pass ogiba Citizenship Amendment Bill gi matangda state asida leiriba tongan ba mioi singna kari phauri habdo amukta mieng taminasi
Sengna hairagadiko akhoi lam amada leiba oinadi masana indigenous people oinadi kharasu abdi moi gidamakta safeguard mayamam thamam thoena khaljaiba ko ada mi atopana leiba lakpa haise hoi akhoi na ju samna habda akhoi na ju lam da chatla like tambai matungina leiruba khotlu yawi even settle tawa mi ba yawi dana ko aduna di mi leija tar su haidi moi gi hoi mi amagi thambiba do adumak di pame aduga và abdi lebak ta di diu da oiro mu da oiro ma da irang tho imyam se ko abdi protest tau jai ne ko yaning de khote hada the government na kitang sarkar ta hanninge na hai ninge
si pass to this the kari phabi
ya ria janing de
si ek se pass to se phain khami bra phatin khami bra
ek ama pass to gai tar the first the citizen sing do hana khangba da ka ta mi di aduna hana mi haidi whole india do adu hana khangbi to na fe aduna ai phain na loji lojar CAB se amuga hanna khanna khandaraga amuk pass to shra to shra do pulap mi ga pulap khanminaraga to pam
for example Manipur da ILP chatnare hare adu gi moina amuk government na protection adu demography da soidana mi tangta ILP chatna khona ba leire khoi Manipur mu pudi hoi adu na phagadra pharoidra di khangdri but Assam gi oina ju adu gum protection ma di pihaninge or entire northeast gi oina kitang protection khoi Citizenship Amendment Bill ji da northeast na di gum hai ba gum ma tongan ba ma haninge ka hello gi hai taraga di moi act tu ni khangde constitution da ni khangde ma khoi gi protection close sama happy raga northeast na di bo hai raga ju or ILP gum ba main adu ma phapaninge
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯦꯔꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯚꯣꯏꯁ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯃꯦꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ
ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯄꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯄꯤꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯚꯣꯇꯔ ꯈꯣꯝꯃꯛꯏꯔ ꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ
ꯀꯦꯕꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯐꯠꯇꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ
ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯕꯪꯒ꯭ꯂꯥꯗꯦꯁ ꯂꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝ ꯑꯇꯣꯞ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯅꯦꯄꯥꯜ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯔꯥꯞꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯒꯗꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯣꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯟꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯟꯁ ꯈꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯕꯪꯒ꯭ꯂꯥꯗꯦꯁꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯀꯤꯁꯇꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯙꯔꯃꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯠ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯁꯤꯕꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯠ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯂꯥ ꯁꯪꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯒꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯀꯦꯞꯅ ꯁꯣꯟꯖꯔꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ
ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯅꯤ
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯧꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯟꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯦ
ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯂꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯀꯩꯀꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯆꯠꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯒꯦꯟꯁ ꯗ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯕꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯖꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯝꯊꯕꯤꯅꯤꯉꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯅꯔ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯄꯥꯔꯃꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯏꯕꯔꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ나 ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯏꯟꯅꯔ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯄꯥꯔꯃꯤꯠꯀ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯏꯅꯦꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ
ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯔꯥ
ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯅꯔ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯃꯤꯟꯁꯇ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯕ ꯆꯩꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯠꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯚꯣꯏꯁꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯗꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯕ
ꯇꯥꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯨꯕ ꯆꯩꯕ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ILP ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ILP ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯈꯩ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯊꯦꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯔꯦꯕ ꯊꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯊꯦꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯈꯩ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ ILPꯁꯤꯒ CABꯁꯤꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯅꯤꯅ CABꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯑꯦ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ
ꯑꯩ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯒꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜ 15ꯁꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ CAB ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯕꯪꯒ꯭ꯂꯥꯗꯦꯁ ꯑꯐꯒꯥꯅꯤꯁꯇꯥꯟ ꯄꯥꯀꯤꯁꯇꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖꯤꯌꯁꯀ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯠ ꯅꯩꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯄꯔꯁꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ इंडिया की रिसोर्स लिमिटेड तसेंग लिमिटेड एग्जाम्पल ओनियंस की प्राइस पूरा हेंगले अदे पूरा ऑयल से अयाम इम्पोर्ट तौरपनेको मुस्लिम की वा लेते हिंदू की वा लेते अखोइना तसेंग इंडिया की बाउंड्री से लाग अमफो चंगन पामद्रे
स्टेट असिद लेरिबा तोंगान तोंगान सिंफम सिंगी मियो अमदि मैरोसिंगा वारी सानारबो मतुंगदा हंदक पार्लियामेंट पास तौखिबा इनर लाइन पार्मिट सिस्टम असी स्टेट असे सनरकपा सिदा तरामना ओइ अदुबु सिस्टम असी स्टेट असे सनद्रि ममांगदा खरे हेना कुमना येसिनमगी अपाम्बा मियामना थमलगि नाकलमदा लेबाक पुंबगी ओइना सनबा होग्रबा CAA सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एगसी लमदम असिदा लेरिबा मियामना यानिंगदे एगसी अमुक हन्ना खननिंगबगी अपाम्बा मियामना थमलगि कैमरा पर्सन पीबोगो लोइना पौदमजरबा भक्त तरम्बा इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ Imphal.
Federation of Haumi in a press release demanded the authorities concerned to take proper measures for effective implementation of the ILP system in Manipur. Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System (JCLPS) has submitted a written request to Chief Minister Nongthom Biren to make the necessary modalities of the Inner Line Permit System to suit Manipur. Speaking to media at JCLPS office, Sega Road today, JCLPS convener YK Dhiren recalled that JCLPS has been demanding to implement inner line permit system in the state for years, and President Ramnath Kovind recently issued a gazette notification extending the ILPS to Manipur amid anti-CAB steer in the country. YK Dhiren said that JCLPS will extend all the possible help to the government while framing guidelines under the ILPS.
JCLP na mamangdagi pamaga laiba amasung Manipur government na yaraga laiba Manipur People's Bill the yauriba provisions sing kari accommodate tobu yagadagi haibasi punna khanarakanda pamjariba wafum di kaino hakanda masi chanarakpa matamda masi gi base yarma itabe yaroi aduga मसीगी मणिपुर पीपल असी करीनो कनाबो ओइगनी हैबसी मांगजौना न मसी नोटिफिकेशन अमसुंग मसीगी गाइडलाइन सि सेमद्रिङाइदा लेपथोकपा म चंगबनिना अमसुंग मसीदा करम हेन इफेक्टिव ओइबा रेगुलेशन सिंग हापा कांदा एकोइ मणिपुर द चनगदोरिबा अदुमलबा बेंगल ईस्टर्न फ्रंटियर रेगुलेशन एकसे अवांग नोंपोक लमदम द चनरिबा रेगुलेशन सिंगदगी हेना इफेक्टिव ओइना थबक तोबा एकोइ मियामना मंगजरिबा मंगलालसी मंगफाउनबा मंगलानमा ओहेनबा होनबियु हाइबा.
Apprehension is rising of a possible fuel crisis in Manipur owing to Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests in the neighboring state of Assam. Panic buying of petrol continues in various areas of the Imphal Valley. Vehicles can be seen lined up at oil pumps. Though many oil pumps were shut down a few days ago, most of the petrol pumps were opened today. Meanwhile, speaking exclusively to Impact News, Secretary of All Manipur Petroleum Products Transporters Union, A. Tamphayai said, people of the state need not to worry about a fuel crisis. He said, 4 petrol tankers and 24 diesel tankers arrived last night. He also said around 80 oil tankers are bringing around 462 kiloliter of petrol and 798 kiloliter of diesel all the way from Batkuchi IOC, which is the biggest oil filling point of the northeast region, to Imphal, and some tankers have already reached Jiribam. Tamphayai said all the tankers will reach Jiri this evening and they will reach Imphal by tomorrow. He was assured that more oil tankers will enter Manipur as 150 empty oil tankers have already left Imphal.
Manipur government side tegi honorable CM and tegi KPNPD and the chief secretary ni chingba mari lenaba IOC ge official singda yam thu na koi gi gari thousand ji phangna number hona da moina chithi mari lenaba official singda EV copy dana tawdana and ge koi gi transporter side dai so are iba gari hang ba sing si chatna Manipur gi public na wari ba sing thousand ji marang kaina launa na bagi koi hona jari athuba matamda Manipur da house marang kaina thangani haibagi asada khanjai koi gi leiriba gari sing si chatlaga TOP da maru lenaba kaino sing da karpu he ang ba nga han na kotna ujiksi maximum han na 100 matakta loaded sing ji tholakpa hogre Imphal da yeng nong daram bahu gi manung da di loaded sing ji loina laktna Manipur da thau marang kaina phangni haibagi asa ai thamjage.
On the other hand, all depots in Churachandpur district closed down since this morning as they ran out of fuel stock. Street vendors have seized the opportunity and hiked petrol price of 200 to 130 rupees per litre. Police are on strict vigil to curb such black marketing. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on price hike of various food items, especially onions in Manipur. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Impact News reporter Wahengbam Lalpal and camera person Subhash Sharma brings you an exclusive report on the increasing price of various food items, especially onions in Manipur.
I know Zilla is a Kwame Bazaar get a pre market. Sida Kogi India, the Posse Tankalak Liba, Marina, Kogi, no more the Sunday at the Polam Sing, Tillo, Modi Alun Sing, Muslim, and Hengala Simatanga, Kogi, all in Simi Rotary, Kogi, wholesaler to can sing, singing Mapusing to Kanda Sing Unaduna, Posse you will see, Kazi de Lopaka, Peter Bege, Madi, Masi, Posse and Hegala Matangsta, Karikaramba Mukim, what I have to Maku Unadun community.
Telo angang badudi hujik near about 107, 108 have the port according leje 107 to 1010 gumba lejeri hujikti. Aduga koina Burma side more side the lak paduna near about 65 range the lejaba achobato. Adu yatina lakwi matun the according lejere kanamna 95 like kanamna 100 like. Alu tilo dudi shena habta di sidi tung the yadum helaga laibane. Handak Maharashtra the flood adua da gumba lak pada amba kheti dolo in a mangjeba adugi nikitang Maman Hinkalise, Ado Aludna, Assam region Ojaba. Alu Huji Naki Bazada, Laisha near about 32, 31 according Lejari per Kijita, Beglopata. Nate Alu Aripatam. Anovasutamo conditioning Matum Pole 33, 34, 32 something, 32 the 35 Marak the Lejari. Alu Anobakar Tholok Patadi, so then Alu Maman to the down Lani. Telogi to the Aposhu Chapsabi having the Tung the Paulova Matam the Kari Hai Gadraujika, Matam Khadi Changadava Male, Telogi Mamanduti Tapta.
Mandi anam se tilau kaira khara hele aduga chanam su hele tilau se ji khoi imphal da piri se rupa humbudra humbu manga choba Thailand gi do aduga more gi na amaga lei khara mar kuppa do maudra adagi khara adagi chokhatpa ama kaiba India gi do India do chama ga tara ma thoi wholesale gi rate ni ga retail da di adum khang di kya chama kunthra ni phu yolam gani Dimapur di chama tra manga lei present rate Guwahati su rupa chama ga tara lei India gi di ai Bangalore da yeng baga na chama ni phu pi howe koi su gyan ta de ngasai gi farmer me am gi problem ra na tra ma pan dei pot lak ta bagi ra retailer se anam baloi theng nei da awa ba more lei bagi su khara phari ne Manipur gi de kai no di ji India da rupa chama ni phu yoling ngai da Imphal da chama tara rupa humudra maudra ga lei ri se si mapan lam da di phang ro Dimapur da su phang wai maman budi moina government na su yeng jan ba da yeng di yeng ma le ba mapan gi lam du ga Manipur ga yeng wa da Manipur na dum hong e ma pot pudi adu su khara yeng jan ba da kar lei
Koi tilau se bora da mayang dei lo matam da sama ga trai thoi chinge ado koi gi damakta di profit yam leite yam wai yon ba mina su koi na yam chendong jara boi khalle koi na su profit su yam phangja da ba aduna ani si marak ta ne koi na ware se hujik se sama kun thai sama kun tha ba se apat pa yarok pa ga kari ga koi de lupa mari manga gum bai chang phang yam phang mangam de hana mama le laktre ngai kan da di sungai kan se lupa kun thra pi ba ni kuthra manga pi ba matam oi bane ado handak ti am tange kari hai do nu khang de awa ba ise lai ri ba kangu se keji lai do mi se pawa ga lai ra to ko su yaw yam lai na dre no ga koi na pak pi gumba na ku pi gumba sa ra to asida hai ma so dum yaw yam na mari lai na bo thori ti da koi na hai janing ba di lai ta lai ra ba nai koi Manipur si da ayam bo oi bani na kari no hai ba do moi na thijal laga poche hongan mana phai na khale hongan biyo na hai janing
Tilhau su kizida lupa nimpu yang kai pira madona cham kun bisai la e adudi ai kizi ani phang madona matang phanga di ekhoi dadi hai sura chawa khoi dadi ko singna wai ba har di paspo ma hinga pai di ai ware du har di government ta haining badi hujukan gi government se kari har do no moi khan madona moi khale chum na taw na khoi na kai har do no praja khoi na kai har tabi do no sini farba sarkar duna hai praja gi khanbira ga ko ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯟꯊꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔ ꯆꯥꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯦꯕ ꯋꯥꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ
ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯡꯉꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯆꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯀꯣꯏꯇꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯃꯜꯁꯨ ꯍꯨꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯜꯂ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯍꯨꯟꯕꯗ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯂꯩꯕꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯦ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯐꯤꯗꯣ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯞꯍꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯜꯁꯦꯂꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯂꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯗꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯎꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯣꯜꯁꯦꯂꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯂꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯩ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯜꯁꯦꯂꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯔꯤꯇꯦꯂꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ 5-10 ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯣꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯂꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯆꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯊꯦꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗꯅꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯂꯛꯏ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯟꯊꯕ ꯉꯝꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯜ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯁꯨꯕꯥꯁ ꯁꯔꯃ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ
Kaching Kuno Football Academy and a Kaching Kuno Mera Paibi Association have jointly blocked the road from Wabagai Lamkai till Sugnu indefinitely owing to its pathetic condition. Members of Indo-Burma Sugnu Road Bus Owners Welfare Union said that they will carry out various protests if the government fail to repair the road at the earliest. Speaking to media at the union's office at Governor Road today, Secretary of the union, Thaungnaugjam Radhesham, said that the road condition from Wabagai Lamkai till Chakpi Karong and from Palela till Chandal is pathetic. He said that the government has failed to repair the road since it was last repaired by Sugnu MLA K. Ranjit in 2011-12 when he was the Works Minister.
कोई लंबी ऐसी याम का है ना फतबा सिना मरम मोरगा कोई एक्सीडेंट ठोकतना कोई कुदोंग थी कोई मियोय बगी पुंसी जी मंगनिंगाई मचाक लेर भाई तारे कोई मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट जो कोई बस यूनियन जो कोई लंबी ऐसी सेमिनबा मीडिया की थोंग जो फोंदो खेबा लेरबने अदु मरग असिजा कोई कक्चिंग खुनो फुटबॉल एकेडमी कक्चिंग खुनो मैरा पाइबी एसोसिएशन ना कोई बन कौशलखरे बन कौबो जे कोई प्रजा सिंग अमदी वेकेशन दा लेरिबा अदगी लोइना कोई गाड़ी ओनर सिंग या ओबा मोइबा कोई बस यूनियन जी मैकै दगी कोई मरी लेनबो अथॉरिटी कोई मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट दा बन कौरिबा कांगबु सिंग सिगा यासिनबा मा पोरक लेरगा लंबी ऐसी अथुबदा कोई सेम होबिनबा कोई की बस यूनियन दगी खांगनजरी करिगुम्बा हाइसिंग थबक तोथोक्तबा तारागदी कोई बस यूनियन युचो ओइबा कोई अकनबा फिरे अमा लौनबा हाइना कोई सेम सादुना लेरे.
Beneficiaries under Chief Minister Gi Hakshal Gi Tengbang, that is CMHT scheme, can now avail benefits of up to 2 lakh rupees at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital in Guwahati. The Super Speciality Hospital provides facilities for treatment of various diseases related to cardiology, cardiac surgery, neurology, neurosurgery, nephrosurgery, gastrology and liver. Director of Health Services Manipur, Dr. K. Rajo, under the supervision of Health and Family Welfare Minister Langpong Lakpam Jayantakumar, signed a memorandum of understanding with top officials of Narayana Super Speciality Hospital at the conference hall of the Health Minister's office in O Secretariat today. Top officials of the Health Department were also present at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Health Minister Jayantakumar said, Chief Minister Nongtoma Biren launched a CMHT scheme on March 21, 2018 to provide cashless treatment facility to poor patients. He also stated that the Health Department is striving to make the benefits of CMHT card available in 10 other empaneled hospitals in other states.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯁꯤ as many as 11 outside ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒ MOU ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯇꯨꯗꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯐꯔꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯇꯨ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯗꯤꯁ MOU independently separately ꯇꯧꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ we start with Guwahati Narayana Super Specialty Hospital ꯃꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯈꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤꯅꯦ another 10 ꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ better equipment ꯂꯩꯕ better facilities ꯂꯩꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ CMHT ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯃ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜ ꯆꯠꯆꯔꯤ
Pehchan cards and passbook under the Ministry of Textiles were distributed and activated for more than 2,000 weavers of Kurai constituency today. The event was held at Kurai MLA L. Susindro's residence in Kurai, Sajolaikai. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Susindro expressed disappointment that some people often try to malign various developmental initiatives of the government.
ILP se hana Congress sarkar matamda lokthokibane miyamdagi miyamna aduga hojina akhoi BJP sarkar si la matunda BJP sarkar asina inner line permit system se amuk pire adu Manipur people's bill dagi hena phaba adugumba poramani adu masi piraiba pose masi pira bokta miyam punamakta lan uhananaba hona tawiriba se masi athu matamda lepiyo masi akhoi yamna pende aduna Manipur gi damakta amasung praja miyam gi damakta leibiriba miyamna amasung leibiriba Manipur da leiba people's punamana praja gi damakta nana thabak tawrige haibase masida
Joint SSA and Ramsar Teachers Association has warned of intense agitation by December 26 if government fail to release their 6-month pending salary and fulfill their other 6 demands latest by December 25th. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Vice President of the association N. Prakash Chandra expressed disappointment that the government has failed to acknowledge the contributions of the teachers in enhancing education sector of the state. He said the association will start agitation if the government fail to release their pending salary as well as meet their 6 demands, which includes promotion facility for the teachers, regular salary, etc. latest by December 25th.
Wazasing like Tapamadagi Toga, Lambi Shurokta, Lau Kongba, Torakana Tamani Kapitokpa, the promotion Kabi Wapam D, Ozukam Latri, Kani, having a Sajukam Delatri, Lambi Jet Piti. The Wazasing Saya Mana, Manipurgi, Manung Hanjan Bachingi, Lambda, Amadi Arapam coming the posting Tabang Actani, Adubu Ozasing Sakau Hang so Hangna, SSR Missy Ozasing Nasi Manipuri education system, Young Lens Ru Unipudunai. Ozasing ji hingnabagi lambi da chawng signare hau khiba thengkhang kya da Ozasing na strike chen helaga su tolo khar ka piraga yana khibang naktra laitri Manipur gi BJP ne lusing ba sarkar na haidok khiba wa ngakpa chin gi khutka mana ba haibado aikoi Christmas pamangda Ozasing bu absorb to widana Christmas ki gift oina Ozasing gi awaw che ko anbiro hai
Chairman of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council Luang Them Tarpon said that the 16th Sumang Lila Ningtham Annual Festival organized by the Council will be held from December 21st till January 7, 2020. Speaking to media at Sumang Lila Sanglen in Palace Compound today, Tarpan said that the festival, which is held every year on December 10th, was being rescheduled owing to the prevailing issues in the state. He appealed to people to attend the festival without fail. Tarpan also mentioned that Manipur State Sumang Lila Council will present its annual awards on the last day of the festival.
Aikoi Manipur da lairiba lila party sing asi hena promote tawnaba loinana Manipur gi praja singda hena saukhatpa piba ngamnabagi damakta pangthok jabani ningtham kumai sigi theme di Sumang Lila for Humanities haiba theme asida Equina and the King Tam Comese, Pantok Jabani, Lila Party, Nipagi Taramari, Nupi Ama, Lila Party Taramangana, and the King Tam Comese, Pantok Jagani, Masida, Manipurgi, Section Kudimati Praja, Kudimanga, Leng Viratuna, Manipur State Sumangla, Councina, Pantok Jariba, Tam Comesibu, Mapung Pan View.
Representatives of Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Ngakshen Lup Juribam and Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Ngakshen Lup Kasar convened a meeting at the office chamber of SP Juribam M. Mubi MPS today. Attendees urged the authorities concerned for transport facility and for protection to pilgrims who will be coming from Assam and Manipur for the ceremonial event of Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai. Speaking to media, Vice President of Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Ngakshen Lup Kasar Sagakpam Birain said that the ceremonial event will be held on January 5, 2020. He said that a team of Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai Ngakshen Lup Jiribam will reach Jurimuk tomorrow to inspect the shrine of Khwairakpa Irel Umanglai and its nearby areas. Chengum naril, a local mushroom which sprouts only at ant hills during rainy season, can now be found artificially cultivated. One Yembem Megha from Nongpok Lorembam of Hairo constituency in Thoubal district cultivated the mushroom on an experimental basis in his vegetables farm. He expressed happiness that mushrooms have started sprouting near a pond in the farm.
ꯌꯦꯟꯗ ꯁꯧꯕ ꯆꯦꯡꯒꯨꯝꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯧꯍꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯈꯠꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯁꯧ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯆꯦꯡꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯧꯗꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ.
Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Churachandpur distributed 100 piglets to beneficiaries under National Livestock Mission 2018-19 at its office in Tubong today. 75 piglets were distributed to beneficiaries under the mission earlier on December 9. Widows Welfare Association Asia held Advent Christmas Come Thanksgiving program at its home in Langjapai village, Churachandpur today. The association has so far enrolled as many as 3,000 widows. 7 widows with no one to look after them are staying at the home. The association, established in 2003, has no major funding except for some income generated from selling pickles prepared from vegetables cultivated by its members. WWAA Director Reverend Dr. Ruth Nengpi Singshan was the speaker at the event. Students from a DTS seminary performed various entertainment programs and a grand feast was thrown on the occasion. CRPF 109 Battalion under EK Bharat Shrestha Bharat program organized a culinary fair and a free medical camp at the battalion headquarters in Mongsangai today. Various cuisines of the state were exhibited and cultural programs were showcased at the event. Doctors of Sky Hospital conducted a screening for heart-related diseases at the camp. In a first in Pakistan history, a 3-member bench of the Special Court, headed by Peshawar High Court Chief Justice Waqar Ahmed, said today handed former military ruler Pervez Musharraf a death sentence in the long-drawn high treason case. The former military chief is currently in Dubai. The trial in the case of the former military dictator for clamping the state of emergency in November 2007 had been pending since December 2013. Musharraf was indicted in March 2014 and the prosecution had tabled the entire evidence before the special court in September same year. However, due to litigation at appellate forums, the trial of the former military dictator lingered on and he left Pakistan in March 2016. Selection trial for participants of the 77th Senior Men and Women Master Men and Women National Squash Championship 2020 will be held on December 29. The championship will be held under the aegis of Squash Racket Association of India from February 9 to 15 next year. Manipur Squash Rackets Association in a press release urged those interested to contact the association for further details. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Some MLAs are likely to skip winter session of Manipur State Assembly over demand for cabinet reshuffle. State Cabinet approves increase in dearness allowance of Manipur government employees after increase of DA for central government employees. People carry out a mouthpiece rally in Ukhrul town demanding speedy finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks based on a Naga framework agreement. Police force Manpak's protest meet against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act in Northeast states. Manpak convener calls present government insensitive. People in apprehension over possible influx of migrants due to ineffective implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur. All Manipur Petroleum Products Transporters Union assures more oil tankers are reaching Manipur amid apprehension over possible fuel crisis due to anti-CAA protests in Assam. And Pakistan court announces death sentence to former Army Chief Pervez Musharraf in high treason case.